Hi cuties, welcome to second standard maths class. Now we check our homework answers. In your book page number 19, color the number boxes with blue. Are you color correctly? Okay, very good cuties. Next, book page number 24, number names. Okay, ONE 1, TWO 2, THRE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10. Next 11, ELEVEN 11, 12, TWELVE 12, 13, THIRTEN 13, 14, FOURTEEN 14, 15, FIFTEEN 15, 16, SIXTEN 16, 17, SEVENTEN 17, 18, EIGHTEEN 18, 19, NINETEEN 19, 20, TWENTY 20. Next book page number 25. Match the number name with the numeral. 7. Already we are matching. Okay, 15. Here 11, 3, 9, 5. Next, check your answer. Here in first line 18, second line 16, next 12, 19, 20, 13, 15, 14. Are you check your answer, Kuti? Very good. Excellent. Next, take your material. Material page number 25. Exercise 2B. First Roman. So, students, remaining answers are check it. Okay, 3 ones, 3 tens, 3 ones. Next, B, second Roman B sum, 6 tens, 5 ones, 9 tens, 4 ones, 8 tens, 7 ones, 3 tens, 1, 1. Don't write yes. Okay, if you are wrongly write yes means you rough and write it. Okay. Material page number 26. Third Roman. First sum already we are done. Okay. Second sum 35. So 3 tens 5 ones. C sum 74. 7 tens 4 ones. Next D sum 58. 5 tens 8 ones. Next fourth Roman 55. So 5 in ones, 5 in tens. So 5 tens, 5 ones. So how to write 55? Okay, next 1 3 13. 13 spelling THIRTEN 13. In ones place 3 beats, tens place ones. So 1 tens, 3 ones. Take next page. See sum 63. So 3 is in ones, 10 in tens place 6 beats. Okay, so 6 tens, 3 ones. 63. Check your answers, cuties. Next 22. So 2 in ones place, 2 in tens place. So 22. 2 tens, 2 ones. Okay, cuties, you are finishing your homework very good. Excellent, cuties. Now we are going to new topic. So topic say before I give some examples. Okay, so here count in for golden flowers. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Next in blue flower 1 2 3. Okay, see, so here see, count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So are you guess it? Very good, because in this place we are add. Okay, so in this class we are see about the topic name is addition. Very good, cuties. Addition symbol plus. Here 4 golden flowers. 4 golden flowers irukku, plus in that 3 golden flowers irukku. So 3 blue flowers irukku. Okay, so இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம், ஆட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். So 4 golden flowers plus 3 blue flowers இருக்கு. ஓகேங்களா, so இந்த பிளேஸ்ல நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். Next example is here count 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally here how many beads? 4 beads. Here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what we do in this place? 6 plus 4 equal to 10. So we are adding in this place. Okay. Kutis, now take your book page number 26. 2.6 addition. Kanmani, Asha and Prashant used ice sticks for their craft work. Find the total number of sticks used by each of them from the picture given below and write them in the blue box. Okay, so first person கண்மணி என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னா ஒரு பீக்காக்கும் ஒரு ஃப்ளவர் வாஸ் வைக்கிற அந்த ஸ்டாண்டு மாதிரியும் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஓகேங்களா. ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு பீக்காக்கு 10 ஐஸ் ஸ்டிக்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்த வாஷ் வைக்கிற பேஸ்க்கு வந்துட்டு 8 ஸ்டிக் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ 10 in the mind, 8 in the finger, 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So what the answer? 18. Okay, student, you should also write in blue box. Next, Asha use like board. Okay, next star. 9 she is using board for 9 ice stick and use for star 6 ice stick. Okay, 9 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what the answer is? 15. Very good. Next Prashant. So Prashant make peacock and like board. Okay, so first number 10 in the mind. Okay va, first number mind la vechukanum, second number finger leave panni adukaprom after number count pannum. Okayla, so 10 in the mind, 9 in the finger, 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So answer is 19. Okay, shall we move to next page? See the question. There are 20 members in the zoo train. Raj counts the members entering into the zoo train at each station in the zoo. ஓகேங்களா. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு ட்ரெயினில் 20 மெம்பர்ஸ் போயிட்டுருக்காங்க. ஸோ two children boarded the train after visiting the white train. So train move on the white tigers. ஆல்ரெடி ட்ரெயினில் 20 மெம்பர்ஸ் ஜூவில் என்ட்ரு ஆகிக்கிட்ட இருக்காங்க. இந்த ஒயிட் டைகரை விசிட் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் 2 சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் வந்துட்டு இந்த ட்ரெயினில் ஆட் ஆகுறாங்க. ஆல்ரெடி 20 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, இதில் 2 ஆட் ஆகுறாங்க. ஸோ 20 + 2, 20 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 20 after 21, 22. So total now in this train 22 children. Okay, from the aquarium 5 children boarded the train. So 22 children வந்துட்டு ட்ராவல் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. இப்போ மறுபடியும் இடையில 5 children வந்துட்டு உள்ள என்ட்ரு ஆகுறாங்க. ஓகேங்களா. ஸோ how many children? 5 children. 22 in the mind, 5 in the finger, 22 after 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So answer is 27. Students, you should also write in your book. Okay va. Next, now how many students are travel in the train? 27. Okay va, 27 children. Now 2 children boarded the train at the butterfly park. So மறுபடியும் 2 children வந்துட்டு ட்ரெயினில் உள்ளே என்ட்ரு ஆகுறாங்க. ஓகேங்களா. ஆல்ரெடி 27 சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, இப்போ மறுபடியும் 2 மெம்பர்ஸ் ஆட் ஆகுறாங்க. ஸோ 27 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 27 after 28, 29. So now totally 29 children are in the train. Okay. Addition symbol plus. Okay, so another name of addition, add, count, altogether. These are some words of addition. Okay, so in this addition, 4 types. Okay, 4 types. First type is using finger. Using fingers. So how to add 24? 24 plus 3 means 24 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 24 after 25, 26, 27. So answer is 27. This is the one type of addition. Another second one, add using number line. Number line நம்ம draw பண்ணிப்போம். 1 ல இருந்து நமக்கு என்ன நம்பர் கொடுத்தாங்களோ அது வரைக்கும். ஓகேங்களா? So here 14 plus 5. So 14 is here. Okay? So here to 5. Counting 5. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what the answer we get 19. 14 plus 5 using number line. What the answer given? 19. So this is the second type. Third type, using beads. So first one 32. So 2 is ones, 3 is in tens place. So 30 means bundle of beads. Yes, in tens place we are drawing bundle of beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many bundle of beads we draw? 3 because 3 tens. How many ones? 2 ones. So loose beads are drawing ones 2. Okay. Plus next 24. 24, 4 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. So how many beads draw in tens? So bundle of beads draw in 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 is in tens place. Okay. Next 4 is in one place. So 4 loose beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus next 30 now. So 3 is in one's place. 1 is in tens place. So how many bundle of bead draw? 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many loose bead we draw? 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. Now we add. Okay. In number, how do we write ones and tens? So end number write ones. Next number, before number you write tens. Same concept here. First we add ones. Okay. So ones means loose beads. Okay. Here 2 beads. Here 4 beads. Here 3 beads. So totally first we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally how many beads here? Have 9 beads. Okay. Next we add tens place. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. Next here 2 tens. So next here 1 ten. So in tens place beads are we add. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 bundle of beads we are add. Okay. Now we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 tens. How do we write? 60. Okay. Next here how many beads are given? 9. So 6 plus 9 got the answer 69. So final answer 69. Okay, please. Next add using abacus. In abacus 26 plus 61. In 26 6 is the ones place, 2 is in tens place. Next in 61 1 is in one place, 6 is in tens place. In our abacus this is ones, this is tens. Okay. So in ones place here got the number 6. So in ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In tens place here got the number 2. So 1, 2. Okay. Next in 61 one space what the number given 1. So 1 is 1 bit only we are draw. Next in tens place, how many number, what the number given 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is one space number. This is tens place. Now we add in one space. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1. 6 plus 1. 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 6 after 7. So what the answer? 7. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next in tens place, here 2 bits. 1, 2. Here count 6. So 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally how many bits? 8 bits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here count in ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. In tens place 8 bits. So total answer is 87. 26 plus 61 equal to 87. This 4 way of additions. Are you clear cuties? In your book page number 30, add the following. Cuties, already we are no addition. Okay. So here you are in your previous class you are single digit addition and double digit addition also learned. Okay. So here 25 plus 3. So already I am told. So 2 digit. Whenever we see 2 digit, first you should write ones and tens. Okay. So in this one space 5, in tens place 2. Next number 3 is in one space, but here no 2 digit number. So you put 0 like that. So now no need is leave it. Okay. So first in one space 5. 5 and 3 you should add. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 5 got 6, 7, 8. So what the answer? 8. Next in tens place 2 only have. So you just take and write that number. So what the answer? 45 plus 3, 28. Next sum 42 plus 0. 42 plus 0. So in 2 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place. So 0 is single digit number. So that number is in 1. Should write 1. Okay. So single digit number, whenever single digit number will come means you should write in ones place. Don't write tens place. Okay. So 2 plus 0. So 2 in the mind, 0 in the finger. So no more number. Okay ma. So cuties, 0 ஓட எந்த நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணாலும் அந்த நம்பரே தான் ஆன்சரா வரும். ஓகேங்களா? So 2 plus 0 னா 2, 6 plus 0 னா 6. ஓகேங்களா? So எந்த நம்பரை 0 ஓட ஆட் பண்றோமோ அந்த நம்பர் தான் ஆன்சரா வரும். So 2 plus 0 2. So here in tens place 4 only have. So you should take and write that number downside. So answer is 42. Next number 60 plus 1. So 0 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place. So here 1 is in single digit number. So 1 is should write in ones place. Next we add 0 plus 1. Now before sum only we have told. So 0 plus any number you should write that number. Okay va? 0 ஓட எந்த நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணாலும் அந்த நம்பரை எடுத்து ரைட் பண்ணனும். So 1 plus 0 1. Next 6 downside. Here no number, so you should take and write that number. Answer is 61. Okay. Cuties, you should also write in your book. Next sum is 45. Next another one 23. Now we add this number. So in before above sums up number 2 digit number, down number 1 digit number. Here see up number 2 digit number, down number also 2 digit number. Now we add 5. So 5 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 3 is ones place, 2 is in tens place. So first we add ones place, 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. Next in tens place 4 and 2. So 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6. So answer is 6. 23 plus 40. First number 23, second number 40. So 3 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. Second number also 40, 0 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place. Now we add in ones place. So 3 in the mind, 0 in the finger. So 3 plus 0, 3. So 0 ஓட எந்த நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணாலும் சேம் அந்த நம்பர் எதை ரைட் பண்ணனும். So 3 plus 0, 3. Next 2 in the mind, 4 in the finger, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. 63. So 23 plus 40, answer is 63. Next number 50 plus 30. So first number is 50, second number is 30. So 0 is ones place, 5 is in second place, tens place. Second number 0 is one place, 3 is in tens place. 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Next 5 plus 3, 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8. So answer is 80. Here three numbers are given. So above numbers are two first number, second number given. But here see, here three numbers are given. So here first number 36, second number 22, third number is 41. Now we add up to down. Okay ma? So 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 6 after 7, 8. So here you should write small number. சின்னதா எழுதிக்கோங்க. ரெண்டு நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது நம்ம இந்த குட்டியா வர ஆன்சர் சின்னதா எழுதிக்கணும். ஏன் எழுதணும்னா பிகாஸ் நாம இன்னொரு நம்பரோட ஆட் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகேவா? சோ நீங்க வந்து இந்த இடத்துல குட்டியா எழுதிக்கணும். So 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 8 after 9. Next in tens place, 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 3 after 4, 5. So 5 plus 4, 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So 99. Answer is 99. Kutis இந்த மாதிரி 2 numbers கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க அப்படினா நீங்க டைரக்ட்டா ரைட் பண்ணிடலாம். இந்த மாதிரி 3 numbers கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க அப்படினா செகண்ட் நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ண உடனே அந்த நம்பருக்கு கீழே குட்டியா எழுதணும். ஓகே? நெக்ஸ்ட் 48 plus 10 plus 30. So here also 3 numbers. So in one place 8, 0 and 0. 8 ஓட 0 ஆட் பண்ணும்போது same number 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 0 ஓட எந்த நம்பர் any number add in 0, same number only we are should write. Okay? So answer is 8. Next 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 4 after 5. So here right. So 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 5 after 6, 7, 8. So answer is 88. Okay? Next last sum 76 to 21. So in one space 6 to 1, 3 numbers are have. Okay? So 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 6 after 7, 8. Next 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 8 after 9. Next in tens place 7, here more number. With our convenience we are put 0, otherwise you are avoid this 0. Okay? So 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 7 after 8, 9. So answer is 99. Next Roman, add the following in your book. Okay students? Now I explain. So 34 plus 35. So first you should write 34. In your book, column upside or side in space having it, you should write this one. Okay? So 34 plus 35. So this is the ones place, this is tens place. Here are also ones, this is also tens. Okay ma? So first number you first அப்படியே no problem. So second number எழுதும்போது first ones write பண்ணுங்க. Sorry. ஓகேங்களா? So ones place 5, tens place 3. Okay? Now we add 4 in the mind, 5 in the finger, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. Next in tens place we add 3 and 3. 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 3 after 4, 5, 6. Okay? So answer is 69. 34 plus 35 equal to 69. Okay? Here you see next number 13 plus 2 plus 1. So 13 is 2 digit number, 1 tens. But 2 is single digit number, 1 also single digit number. How do we write? First you write 13. Okay? In next number ones place, this is tens place. So next number also 1 also single digit number. So here 1 also you should write. Now we add. So 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 3 after 4, 5. 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 5 after 6. Answer is 6. Next in tens place, only one number. So 13 only is tens place. Okay. So remaining also here no number. So we should write it that number taken write down. So answer is 16. Next third sum 14 plus 10 plus 2. Okay ma? So here 14 means this is 4 is ones place, 1 is in tens place. Next 10 also 2 digit number. So 0 first you should write in ones place. Next 1 is in tens place. Okay. Next here see 2 is in single digit number. So where we write in this place? In tens place that is correct? Yes? No. Very good. Because one digit number once only we should write. So 2 is in right in ones place. Now we add. Okay. 4 plus 0. What we get the answer? Very good. 4 plus 0 4. So answer is 4 plus 4 plus 2. Okay. 4 plus 2. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 4 after 5 6. So answer is 6. Okay. In tens place now we add 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 what we get answer? 2. Very good. Answer is 26. What we get the answer? 26. Next number we see fourth sum 34 plus 30 plus 3. So 4 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place. Next in 32, 30, 0 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place. 3 is in single digit number. So that is a ones place number. So we are seeing 34. This is ones. This is tens. Next 30. Last number 3. 3 is a single digit number. So where we write in correct place? Ones. Very good. So 3. 4 plus 0. So already we are know. 4 oda enna number add pannalum nama anga enna number pannrom adha write pannom. So 4 plus 0 4. So 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 4 after 5 6 7. Next 3 plus 3. 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 3 after 4 5 6. So answer is 67. Next sum 36 plus 26 plus 40. So this is the ones place, 3 is in tens place. Next 26 6 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. Next 40 0 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place. Here see 36. So this is ones, this is tens. Next in 26 2 is in 6 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. Next 40. So 0 is in one place, 4 is in tens place. Now we add 6 plus 6. 6 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 plus 0. So 12 plus 0 what we get the answer? 12. Very good. But we are don't write this right. So this is the wrong way. Okay ma. So we know ones place only we should write in ones number only. Okay. So don't write here another number. So what we do here means here this tens place number you know 12. In 12 2 is in ones place but 1 is in tens place. So 1 is where we write in tens place. So here carry overing. What we do? Carry overing. Okay ma. உங்ககிட்ட ஒரு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணீங்களா அந்த மாதிரி. சோ இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா 12 வந்திருக்கு. 12ல 2ங்கிறது ஒன் ஸ்பேஸ். சோ 2 மட்டும் இங்க ரைட் பண்றோம். சோ ரிமைனிங் ரிமைனிங்ல இதோட டென்ஸ் ஸ்பேஸ்ல இருக்கிற 1 எங்க இருக்குன்னா டென்ஸ் ஸ்பேஸ்ல நம்ம இங்க ஆட் பண்றோம். ஓகேங்களா? சோ நவ இந்த கேரி ஓவர் வந்துச்சு இல்லீங்களா? அந்த நம்பர் பிளஸ் 3. சோ 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 1 after 2 3 4. So what we get answer 4. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. Okay. So 4 after 5 6. Next 6 in the mind, 4 in the finger, 6 after 7 8 9 10. So 102. What we get the answer? 102. 45. This is the ones place, this is tens place. 5 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place. In 23, 3 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. Last number, 1 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. Now we take a right that number. 3 is in ones place. So 1, this is tens. So 3 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. Next 21, 1 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. Now we should write 5 plus 3. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8. So 8. 8 plus 1. 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 8 after 9. Next, in tens place, here no carry overing. In this sum, one number carry overing. But here 9 is a single digit number. So no other carry overing. So here don't write any number. Okay. So 4 in next we are add tens place. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6. Okay. Next 6 plus 2. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 6 after 7, 8. So what we get final answer? 89. So 45 plus 23 plus 21. What we get final answer? 89. This is for our answer. Okay, goodies? Goodies, now take your book page number 28. A balloon seller has 23 pink balloons and 4 yellow balloons. How many balloons did he has totally? Totally அப்படின்னு வேர்டு கொடுக்கும்போது நம்ம இந்த இடத்துல ஆட் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ 20ங்கிறது bunch of balloons, 3ங்கிறது loose balloon, that means ones. Okay, so 23. So 4 is in ones place, ones that means loose balloons. Okay, so 23. 4 where we write in ones place, don't write in tens place. Now we add in ones place. 3 plus 4, 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we get answer? 7. In tens place 2 only have. Okay, so we want to write that number. So total answer 27. So in your next page, in a inter-school competition, a school had won 30 gold medals and 21 silver medals. Find the total number of medals won by the school. So gold medals 30. So that 30 means the 3 tens. Okay, bunch of medals 3 tens. Next in silver medal 21. So 2 tens, 1 ones. Okay, so 30. How we write? 0 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place. Next 21, 1 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. Now we add 0 plus 1. Any number add with 0, same number. So 0 plus 1 we have got answer 1. Next 3 plus 2, 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5. So what we get answer? 5. So totally that school won 51 medals. Next, Reena bought 30 pens from the shop. Next day, she purchased 50 more pens. Count and write the total number of pens she had. So here, see the question, total number. So first day, before day, she purchased 30 pens. So 3 bundle of pens. Okay. So 30, 3 0 in tens, 0 in ones place, 3 is in tens place. Next day she purchased 50 pens. So 5 bundles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, each bundle 10 pens. Okay, so 0 is 1 place, 5 is in tens place. 0 plus 0. Now we add 0 plus 0, 0. So next 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total answer 80. Mani has 54 pencil, Benny has 21 pencil, Malini has 23 pencils. How many pencils do they have in total? So here total means we are add. So Mani has 54. So 5 bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 50. Remaining 4 pencils. So 54. 54, 4 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place. Next Benny has 21. So 2 tens, 1 ones. Okay, so 1 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. Next Malini has 23 pencils. So 20 means 2 tens. Okay, 3 in ones place. So 3 is ones, 2 is in tens. Now we add 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 4 after 5. So here you should write smally. Next to 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 5 after 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. Next in tens place now we add 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 5 after 6, 7. So 7 we get. Next 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 7 after 8, 9. So final answer 98. Students, now take your book page number 31. Try this. Actually this Roman is color, okay. So color the tens and ones for the given numbers 43 and 25. Find the sum 43 plus 25. So இப்போ என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா இங்கே நம்பர்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 43 + 25. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இது வந்து ஒன்ஸு, திஸ் இஸ் டென்ஸ். அதே மாதிரி திஸ் இஸ் ஒன்ஸு, திஸ் இஸ் டென்ஸ். ஸோ 43ங்கும் போது டென்ஸ் பிளேஸ் இது ஃபுல்லாக டென்ஸு, இது ஃபுல்லாக ஒன்ஸு. 43ங்கும் போது 4 டென்ஸ்னால் 4 bunch of beadsக்கு கலர் பண்ணும். அதே மாதிரி இதில் 3 onesக்கு கலர் பண்ணும். ஓகேங்களா. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 25 இருக்குது. 25ங்கும் போது நீங்கள் 4க்கு ஆல்ரெடி கலர் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க. ஸோ ரிமைனிங் 2க்கு கலர் பண்ணணும். ஸோ அதே மாதிரி இதில் 5க்கு கலர் பண்ணணும். ஸோ டோட்டலாக எத்தனை bundle of beadsக்கும் அதே மாதிரி எத்தனை onesக்கும் கலர் பண்ணிக்கிங்க அப்படிங்கிறது இங்கே ரைட் பண்ணிடணும். சரிங்களா. திஸ் இஸ் யுவர் ஹோம்ஒர்க். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இங்கே 20 ப்ளஸ், அதாவது complete the circles on the right by adding each of the numbers on the left with 10 and with 14. One is done for you. உங்களுக்கு ரெண்டு பட்டர்ஃப்ளைஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதில் ஒன்று 10ஓட ஆட் பண்ணி இன்னொன்று 14ஓட ஆட் பண்ணி போட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ 20 + 10 30. Next 25 + 10. Here you should write answer. Okay. So this is easy. Try it. Next to 14. 32 + 14. So what you do means 32. Next to 14 means first you should write 1's place 4. Next to 1. Now we add 2 + 4 6. Next to 3 + 1 4. So 46. So this like you should here having space. So you try this. Okay. Next you take your material. In your material page number 27. Exercise 4C. Addition. Add by counting forward, that means after number. So 37 + 5. Here 37 given, 37 after numbers 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So what the answer finally we got? 42. 37 + 5, 42. This model only remaining sums. Okay. Now you take your next page. Second Roman, add each set of number and write the answer. So this is very easy. 2 + 3, 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 2 after 3, 4, 5. Okay. So try this remaining sums. Next, third Roman, add the following. So here first sum 47 0. So 47 is the 2-digit number, 0 is in 1-digit number. So we should write in ones place. Now we add in 1 the 7 + 0. In our before only I am told 0 adding 0 with any number, same that number only we want to take and write. 0 ஓட எந்த நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணணுமோ அதே நம்பர் எடுத்து ரைட் பண்ணுவோம். So 0 + 7 7. Next in tens place 4 only have. So we want to write this place. So 47. So remaining sums and all easy. Try these sums. Okay. Add using property. That means 8 + 0. What we get answer 8. Now இங்கே பார்த்தீங்களா 8ஓட 0 ஆட் பண்ணால் 8 வந்திருக்கு. இங்கே சேம் நம்பர். ஸோ ஓகேவா, என்ன நம்பர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அதே தான் ஆன்சர் வந்திருக்கு. இங்கே அடுத்த சம் பாருங்கள் 2 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, 2 தான் ஆன்சராக வந்திருக்கு. அப்போ இங்கே என்ன நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணியிருப்போம்? வெரி குட், 0 ஆட் பண்ணியிருப்போம். ஸோ இதே மாதிரி தான் ரிமைனிங் சம்ஸ். ஓகேங்களா. ஸோ இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அடுத்தது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1 ஆட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ 45 + 1 ஆஃப்டர் நம்பர் வாட் 46. 98 + 1 99. ஸோ திஸ் டைப் ஒன்லி. ஓகேவா. நெக்ஸ்ட் இன் 5th Roman, வெர்டிக்கல் அடிஷன் அண்ட் மோர் தென் 2 numbers. நம்ம இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பார்த்த நம்பரில் 2 numbers இருக்கும். இப்போ 3 numbers இருக்குது. ஆல்ரெடி ஐ எம் டோல் 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 2 after 3, 4, 5. So here write smallly. Okay. 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So remaining sums and all you are do. Okay. Here 2-digit number. So in one space 5 + 0 5. 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next in tens place 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 4 after 5, 6. Next 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 6 after 7, 8. So these and are your homework sum. Without mistake you should correctly. Now we see in tables. Now we see the tables. 3 table. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, 10 3s are 30. Once again I read. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, 10 3s are 30. Cuties, without mistake you should correct answer in addition. Okay, and memorize the table. Already you are learned 2 table. Now you memorize the third table. Okay.